me clients no. Now on third dining year. But then on third dining year, then it means that in law, say who acquire property during the course of the marriage, the new current Supreme Court decision say your husband have an interest in the matter in the house. And even as of now, you file divorce. Now you quarter, we will claim an interest in that house. Yes, a very champion. The main champion, son of Manity. Now, Master would be now say Unkai or that Unkai Musisata. Yes, please. They say, Lord, says, Uno Oba Waro, now Oye Japade, another my only Japadia. Time Oye Japadeno. Muja Waria, Muchimupe. And a friend cannot claim that house. It's a matrimonial house. Brown Nikuno Bar, Omono Moda, or there's also South Africa, or die on Nikurida. See the two homes in your matrimonial away home. And to know to me, and the friends know they are not divorced. They are not divorced. What I say, and you know, in law, no, almost your wedding. Now, wedding, no, as you need, what they say, to proceed at the court of competent jurisdiction. Now, your divorce marriage, you know, when so marriage is less than 2 years. And in law, no, as Okosivi, Okosiki, leave, permission, will court self, so or divorce marriage, you know. When you're for a year, if I need marriage a divorce certificate, and as we speak right now, if I show me Nima, say Cochin and Numere Secret or no Bema, die, yes, because Nikunu on Yaro, and now you know no Obama die, adultery, because Ungano, and a brother can pursue him. Hey, Ghana, Muntie, Ghana, you need lobby for the separation. There's nothing like separation. And now separating, so it doesn't give you right to have an affair. And Unukunu ha until say, over divorce or marriage, no. Unu quite say, over cheating no. If I so Ghana don't understand the video, no, air trending, no. Abrakwa, my clients, we don't care how he got the evidence. You can even commit a crime to obtain evidence. And as I call it fear, no more video, no. Now, breach of privacy. Now, or be more on lottery entry. But on the judges scandal video they buy no. The bomb say man no. All they say. And that's it. And it say ukru uyiri chiti. Na uko na utubi video chiti na. Kudos because Ghana fire ukasa. Omaka say the game is evidence. Oh, what can say game is evidence because say abrakwa koye na ohun so be man no ene ofa eda ho. Na waka machimo ashaw na we need evidence bia e fra be kase obema bia mba hoda na be ma no sue okokot kaka say okoja ware because e fra chitia be ma no ko nim din oni evidence enti okwa judge be kase say osu yiri chichi on you on this date but why is the evidence to support and you know he didn't do any wrong in obtaining the evidence and the evidence no obtaining no one police 4G copy. Me lawyer ampow. Me nya copy. Or they be my father because they father person sampa I didn't see. Or they say and the first one copy. Nipa for no. He na league video no. So you can't. That's why you can't blame my client. Anybody, any one of us can leak the video. And the answer will come to a conclusion. Say is the husband in the leak, you know. And how some Ghanaians are judging the whole thing, say, Abrakwa leak, a leak. No. Ukokota. Now, I can't judge a leak. And I just say, I don't know who's all leak. Video. No. Video about the police even can leak the video. Yeah,
the police.
Oh, yeah, ni handa evidence we wofana say koke dani kukunte. Na Ghana say uma police ni 1 billion say on fa tape ma on fa. Yes. So, and then the same thing, no. Anybody, and then if for the video no mind, no. If for the beche busa fo. If for the be friend the busa fo say mo betra say. Mo hwe ne amoba efuaye. Enti maybe may no say we because on the farmer me. No be adabe. Enti how a video no buy no. The police must do thorough investigations. So you dare not take my client to court if you have not done that. And I can tell you before God the man. We will go on a petition and for you know that and yet the so-called government have power. You should know. At NDC time, the power was so powerful. He was resourced. So he could insult Anado, he could insult Usubempa, and a lot of people. He was protected. He dare not do that this time. but rule of law is prevailing. And the police, I'm telling you, I'm sending a note to the police. Someone said they are nude pictures. Someone said yadi obscene pictures to abonti ya crime. Monkochi one love kobolo. What I say, some the social media. Abondi, monkoso ni mu. A lot of social media nonsense, nudity nonsense is going on. The police should go after all of them. Now, obi sabi. Obi yiri mumu ahi Ghana police for Ghana police for mumu ahi na mumu koto se obi famu yiri a mube tumi aya video recording. Me no ampa akakuya a first as nigga. Akabadi sam my funeral. I would have killed her. Yes, me yiri when you cheat on me, I will kill you and I will not get my murder. They will reduce it to manslaughter. Yes, because in law, no, it's extreme provocation. Sure, you do yere yawo, Debbie. Because of him, Makoti, obi, me experience I mean yellow. I walk kaswa. Bra be the one yere, no yan the wedding, reception time no. I'm call baby hotel war. Send na the yere no ex-boyfriend, efi doma. Aba high, Aba bukuru mo. Ain't you know, reception no cost no. And a boy no frag again and say, but let me move for the last time. Now me so. Now me to be called back to Doma. Ain't it I front no, yet reception and I front catch any could say, meba. No bora hotel ho. Okasha room 7. Ain't it for ya bonjumana obiaka, I front where you. I saw maybe a floor. I front more than 30 minutes I front by. And the best man is sorry. No call reception officer and say, I follow away. I follow this up so Johnson. No say you don't know what down. No officer say no, and I follow call. No can reception listen to me. One check baby I follow what I'll go room by room. And say reception can say, Uncle check room 4, 7. I'll call you no. Never far I follow. And I'll buy a back a chair. You couldn't say I'm messing call. You could in a cheap bang bang. Oko do no. Now if you know my sex house. I say, I am me there. Nikunu bo mu se kinkirim ye bu epena nikunu no say odinu no de betrase ogunu no koye after na boy no e mental enti mo amoyam hypocrites for Ghana na mo nile abrokwa say na no video ye and you people are hypocrites and tomu ye aso for hypo de begina no mo bi wo mo girlfriends cry sabi eko kochitia. What is happening? My girlfriend speak kochichita. Mo kura mo to be boom gas. Na no. Na a first as they got akofa bema woni kunechi ya. No mo bona ba so say one ko kneeling the nikunu na is already in pain. The man is in pain. Or when you emotional pain and trauma. And no me be say ni what I say? And I'm tornado. Say boy no only cells. Now cause us that. So far as I remain in this case, my client will never go to cells because any judge who don't handle this case will put herself into these shoes. And our police, the people of Ghana, it's not easy to handle a cheating wife. And if I has not even regretted and calling my client's names, if you want the media gimmicks, we are good at that. But if the police there and take this case to court, they should get ready. They will go and fish out everybody who is on social media with nude pictures. I'll make sure that is accomplished. Any nude picture, any pornographic material on social media, the police have to chase all of them. The selective justice must stop in this country. That's my call. And then me client to uncle court and uncle court touching. I'm gonna say assault to bang. If you don't know by now, if I don't pray, and I'm gonna say obscenity vote. Say leaking sex video. My friend, I think say this matters. No, let's look at it critically. The police, we are petitioning the director of the investigations. We are going up to the Attorney General, and we will take issues up. And this is a very emotional case. If Frappen was on pen was a moment and entrance, Nian can if you ask them, Nian go away simple. They go already simple, anyway. But this kind of persecution, my client is already dying emotionally. And my client should be applauded. And the client should be very thankful. Say, Otinkwemu. Any Samba now. So, my friend say, Ombunu Hona, who was the kind of, who Bama Papa, or Bama for Fie, and they die. And who uses him. Obe Biara, Obe Biena, no. I condemn the client. Who Bama, why say ya also, you better do this. You will told you didn't know.
That's a curse.
Yes, I'm cursing everybody. I'm cursing anybody. He's so sympathizing with Abraham. Say, "Sabi for the year. Who so the house? Who did work was on Abano?" What do I say? Now, over to say Ebutu years so. That is a curse I'm pronouncing, because we must make sure. And a man also me took a form also. Pebe man ko. Adebe ko bi chi obi ase oba ochiti. But so oba ochiti bia or ye before. Yes, because what's a man who have sex rough. Answer no bab before the kulechi no transfer dwe ho. Na odonasa. Efenso no se bi se fo man on ne da no. Wo be se fo man be tumi ekum abrakwa. Because man say man be fie ho. And abrakwa so nim. Ti man be no de bi betu fie ho a. Ana odi su be group we nsu mu na abrakwa fo no mo ya. O dey say ana man ba ya na man kuetuo na abrakwa ye rough no shoot na akabari say if what chichiri abrakwa and na akotupumu because on person be asem. See the man is a dangerous person because who do obi dey chiri now to be bend the mu house obetu ekunu Ghana for mu ndwen so obetu ba mi fie abeda me yiri pa so wo ye wudini na yan kasa mo na mutete so abedia na mo kan sem fro say and wanya ade and why should you record I call you there recording any killing which they are cool and they are recording I'm say Ghana hano we must understand say your friend be extreme provocation and I think say my client should be applauded, the man should be awarded. By this time they say you are awarding no say the most what they say the best man of the moment or Bama ko to so obi ni yere da no nya kukudro share no so no video yi na we nkum o dey say boss obi wan kabada efu about this amu efu ne ban no ka mo ye ni fun entino me da my foot me dey man say efu jai social media ni to that do mu jai sanya no enfata mo my client no is a free person onam ene obana mo china ochinechi obana court bi aniwa oba remand no court bi aniwa oba jeli no because nyame di nechi na dia to no ebetuma tu obembe bia na dia to no so oba bia so oda to ofo say di ukunu empeni o dey say and never cheat on your wife and remember so no you're very careful, don't condemn the man because and the hypocrisy of Ghanaians must stop.